20 crest, 40, 3 left water, 4 right jump, 150 crest, 250 small jump, 100 crest, 150 crest, 40, jump maybe straight, 200 crest, 20.
Have a look. Oh my god.
Markko,
My neck is very stiff. Salvo dealer.
Markko. Markko,
absolutely no idea what's happening. We're coming flat out up this hill and there was a small jump here, but it's kicked the back end of the car up unbelievably, and we've landed on the roof and gone into the rim, and I don't know where I am at the minute.
okay, you don't think anything broke on the car? Has it landed?
I don't think about it. This wheels take off the car now, but I think nothing happened to cause the accident. I just think it just kicked up at the back somehow.